DACUM is an instructional design system that guides someone through the process of designing or redesigning occupational training.
The DACUM method is so fitting for apprenticeship programs because it focuses on skills.
This is a model that could be used for a variety of different types of training programs.
They're going to learn how to conduct an occupational analysis. They're going to be able to develop learning modules based upon skill. Finally, going to learn how to assess and evaluate objectively based upon observable performance.
They'll walk away with some tangible sources that are going to help them, whether they're developing a program from the start or whether somebody just wants a refresher.
I would describe it as relevant, hands-on, and timely because it is needed now to prepare our workers.
I hope to see you in July for designing curriculum to close the skills gap.